What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will discuss if you are a high value or low value man. Because there are actually a few characteristics that a high value man have and that separates them from 90% of all other men. So if you can relate to those 5 factors that I will show you in this video, then you are definitely on a good way. And if you can't relate to those 5 factors, no worries about that, because it actually takes some time to become a high value man. And of course guys, I will help you on your way to become your best version possible with daily videos on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel so far, do yourself a favor and smash that like and subscribe button down below and become part of the family. Alright guys, before we talk too much, let's start directly with the first sign that you are a high value man, which is you are going your own way and not just following blindly the crowd. A high value man knows exactly that he doesn't need to follow the crowd because he simply knows his own path and what he needs to do. 90% of men are actually not a part of that. They are simply going blindly with the crowd because they actually think that that is the easy and most secure way. But as 2020 showed us all, there's no such thing as a secure way. And beside that, you should always follow your own path, your passion and your dreams, so simply what makes you really happy. Because life is too short for going the exact same way that 90% of men are going, which is in the end not even a secure way. So basically, if you're going your own way and follow your own path, then it is definitely a sign that you are a high value man. Let's continue with number 2, you are able to adapt and don't stuck in the past. Life is simply always changing. What worked in the past is not guaranteed to work in the present moment. And a high value man exactly knows that and is always adapting his life and his work to the present moment. He is simply not complaining at all, he is just adapting, and therefore he is able to be successful no matter what is happening. And number 3, a high value man works smart and hard on his goals. First of all, what separates a high value from a low value man is simply the fact that a high value man sets himself goals that he is working on, and a low value man has no goals. Beside that, he is not only working hard but also working smart. By working smart, I simply mean that he is prioritizing his work wisely and he knows exactly what is important and what is not important in order to reach his goals. He is not just working hard for the fact that he can say that he works hard. Instead, he figures out the best and most efficient way to do a certain thing, and then he still works hard to reach his goal way faster. If you can relate to that, then you are definitely a high value man that is on his way to become his best version ever. Let's continue with number 4, you are aware that life has ups and downs and you still appreciate them. If life had only ups and no downs, you wouldn't be able to appreciate the ups. And a high value man is totally aware of this fact and therefore he appreciates both of them. He simply learns from his downs and uses that lesson to create new ups. So if you can relate to that, then you are definitely on a good way. And last but not least guys, a high value man takes care of himself. His grooming routine is on point, he knows how to dress right, and he also takes care of his body through exercising and his diet. His daily routines and habits separating a high value man from an average guy. He is not only mentally on its peak, he also shows it with his appearance. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are the 5 characteristics of a high value man. Hopefully I could help you out with this video. Also guys, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family, because I will upload every single day a new video to help you to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys, see you in the next video.